Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 10. So let's get started. 1. I am number 1. 2. I am number 2. 3. I am number 3. 4. I am number 4. 5. I am number 5. 6. I am number 6. 7. I am number 7. 8. I am number 8. 9. I am number 9. 10. I am number 10. Let's repeat the number again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For more informative videos, keep watching. Until then, bye-bye.